I built an autonomous vehicle. But it didn't work as planned. Still, there is a lot to learn from failure. The ground in a vineyard is more uneven than expected. The front wheels kept sliding sideways and couldn't move properly. I used special wheels called Omni wheels on flat ground. They can rotate 180 degrees easily. But in the vineyard, things were different. The uneven ground stopped the rotation completely. It was a failure. So, I made an improvement. I added a guide roller in the center. It follows a pipe as a guide. Then, it worked smoothly. Now it can turn reliably and move along the vineyard rows. By mounting a sprayer on this cart, it can be operated remotely. This reduces pesticide exposure and saves labor. However, this system is expensive. So, I came up with another idea. In fact, I chose a different solution. You can see it.
今チャンネル